Sunday. We're out running errands. We just went to Sam's, as you saw. I think, probably not. No, I don't think you saw it. I didn't vlog in there like I normally try to because it's Sam's on a Sunday. Like, it's chaos in there. So I didn't get any footage inside of the store. But now we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. I'm so excited. I love going to Trader Joe's, as you all know. It is the spot. So yeah, for to get a few things from there and head home. I don't think we have nothing else to get or do or whatever. I think it was just that in Trader Joe's, which Trader Joe's wasn't even on the menu today, but might as well just get it in while you're here, you know? So I've got my green juice. It has some drinks, so I am recuperating with some green juice, and it is so good. I haven't been to Juice Bar in forever because y'all know the Chrisleys own them. I think the Chrisleys own like all of them. I don't know, but a lot of them start to close. So yeah, and one in Brentwood, which is where we went earlier for breakfast. So I think it's only like maybe 2 or 3 left. And yeah, so really sad about that because I love me some Juice Bar. This is the beachy greens. It's got like mint, kale, parsley, lemon, spinach and stuff in it. It's so good. So freaking good. Do want to go home, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. The standard. I swear all my vlogs are just starting to look the same. We go grocery shopping, we hang out, we eat food, but that's my life, you guys. Especially I've kind of been recuperating. I had to do an impromptu visit home back to Alabama, so this week I was just trying to like readjust my life. So next week we are back on track with filming and exercise. I've been exercising, so get back on track with exercising, filming, all the things. I have a video that is almost done. I just have to do some last few edits, and then we're going to get that up today actually. So I think I'm going to prepare to film another video while that video is uploading. That's kind of how I like to do it. So yeah, so those are the vibes for right now. I'll show you guys what we get, and I'll see you guys when we get back to the house. So we're back. So we're back home. We've brought everything in, and I'm about to put everything up. Dee had to run back out, so I'm just gonna put everything up, which I like putting up groceries because it's kind of like time to like zen out. I find me a YouTube video, or I'll listen to like my audiobook. It's Sunday, so I'm about to catch up on the girls and their vlogs. So I'm about to find, which I'm pretty sure Chelsea, maybe Aaliyah probably has uploaded by now. Maya, who else? I haven't watched Kyra in a while. I don't know, I'll probably watch her later on in the week, but yeah, mainly Chelsea, Aaliyah, Maya. Somebody else I watch. Oh, Brianna, see if she's uploaded, which I doubt it. She's not as consistent as everybody else, but sometimes. So yeah, I'm about to just see who has uploaded, get the vibes going. I'm gonna show you guys everything. We went to Sam's and Trader Joe's. I thought I was gonna be able to vlog in Trader Joe's, and it was chaotic. Okay, it was a mess. So we had to just get in there and get out. Plus I had to pee. There was a line at the bathroom. It was a lot, girl. So didn't get any footage in Trader Joe's. But yeah, got some cool stuff. Racked up on a couple of our favorites. So yeah, y'all already know what it is. I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna make something to drink. Lately, I have been loving the Alani new sparkling waters. So this is the peach flavor. So I'm gonna put some ice over that and put a little bit of like lime juice and syrup in there to sweeten it up. Let's see. I need a glass. All right, we have a glass. We have ice. We have maple syrup and lemon juice. Clearly I'm almost out of maple syrup. I just bought some more, or we just bought some more at Trader Joe's. So water. Okay, and a little bit of maple syrup just for a bop of sweetness, and some lemon juice, just a bop, a few shots, if you will. Acrylic straw. It needs more lemon. I like a lot of lemon. Lately I've been putting like liquid IVs in my sparkling waters, or I've been putting grenadine, Rose's grenadine, agave. I've been loving it. So yes, if you're looking to get rid of sodas out of your diet, try making little sparkling water mocktails. I literally fix it up like it's a cocktail. I also have this passion fruit syrup. It's for cocktails, but it's non-alcoholic. I also had the pina colada flavor, and I love that one. I drank all those, and I was putting vanilla Torani syrup in there, but French vanilla Torani syrup in there, and it was kind of like a iced pound cakey kind of thing. It tastes so good. So like I've just really been experimenting with like sparkling waters and stuff, and that you guys will see we went crazy on the sparkling waters in Sam's. So we have sparkling waters to last the year, child. Probably only like a month or so, because we drank them so much. But yes, girl, I've just been really not only upping the water, but really monitoring my sugary drinks and all that stuff. So yeah, try that out. They have I think a bunch of different flavors. So anyway, I'm done rambling. I'm gonna unload everything and then show you guys what I got, and then put all this up so I can relax, girl, because you already know grocery shopping, it's a sport, especially at Sam's on a Sunday and Trader Joe's, baby. It's not for the weak at heart. Gonna go ahead and find me a YouTube video. Okay, so Janae Daily, yes, she's uploaded another video too. So I've got lots of stuff to watch from my goes. Okay, so Maya uploaded a video. It's an hour and 16 minutes. It's a new wife vlog.
Snap your W2 and file.
So let's watch her. Okay, so I'm about to do these groceries. Okay, so this is everything that we got from Trader Joe's, and then I'm going to put this up, and then I'm going to show you guys the things that I got from Sam's. So let's start here. We got these packs of microwavable jasmine rice because we love rice. Rice goes with everything, of course. So, but girl, rice be taking so long to cook. So I said, you know what? I've been seeing people get these. I'm going to get them. So we got these. Throw that in there. We got these loaded potatoes. I was thinking these could be so good for breakfast, honestly, with an egg on top. So yeah, we got 2 of those. Also got some vegetable pad thai. I love pad thai. It's one of my favorite meals. If you are ever at Eastern Peak in Nashville. Their pad thai is so good. So this is vegan, like a super quick meal, can't go wrong. Got 2 of those. Got some turkey corn dogs just to try. I love a good corn dog. Got 2 sujat celery juices, some carrot juice. I really like to keep some juice in the house, just because it's juice. 2 packs of Brussels sprouts. Love Brussels sprouts. Some soy sauce, some organic super firm tofu. I'm gonna try to make crispy tofu. I need to go back to the store and get some cornstarch and peanut butter. So I want to try to make peanut butter crispy tofu. 2 things of salmon. We love salmon. We love the Trader Joe's salmon. It's like the best. We got a bunch of these noodle cups, but I only have 2 sitting here. We got the chicken and the spicy miso flavor. These are so good. These are the only ramen now that doesn't make my head hurt. I don't know what it is, but I can eat these and I feel just fine. So love those. Some more maple syrup. We've been obsessed with kimchi, so got some more of that. Got these red curry noodles just to try. Naan bread, some eggs, broccoli, tons and tons of seaweed, wasabi, teriyaki, and regular flavor. These mini chicken tacos. This vegetable bird's nest. Not sure what it is, but it looks pretty good. And I saw someone, and I saw some people on TikTok say that these chicken thighs were phenomenal. Like, they were raving. So I was like, let me try them. They had a bunch of them, so I got some more. So excited to give these a go. And these are just the rest of the noodles. So I'm gonna put all this up and then we'll come back and show you guys what I got from Sam's. Okay, so this is what we got from Sam's. So we got one of these, or 2 of these aluminum sheet pans. The ones we had were ridiculous, so we got 2 more. Some disinfecting wipes, creamer, you already know the drill, French vanilla coffee mate, Torani French vanilla, some avocado packs, this huge platter of sushi. I really want to try one of these because it looks so good. Like, I want to try one of each, but yeah, we got this huge thing of sushi. We might eat it while watching the Super Bowl. I don't know. We'll see. But how good does this look? We had to get it. And then Dee wanted to try this one, so she got this little tiger roll thing. Now to the sparkling water. We got a huge pack of the San Pellegrino. It's got pomegranate, cherry, blood orange, black raspberry, tangerine, and wild strawberry. A huge thing of LaCroix. We got guava, beach plum, and black raspberry. And then we got a huge thing of Perrier, pink grapefruit, lime, and pineapple.